Hey, it's Cheryl here today. This is number 5 in my cleaning series videos. So today I'm going to try to get some of this hard water off of my glass in my shower. And I'm going to show you what you will need. So let's get started. Okay, for this you're going to need a bowl. I'm going to put the white vinegar in it. And inside this, which I picked up a while back from the Dollar Tree, I have a little bit of Dawn, and I have some plain white paper towels. So before I use anything with the scrub and the Dawn, I'm going to take some paper towels, soak them in vinegar, and put them on my glass, and come back in a while and see how it goes. So stick around, I'll be back. I'm going to put these paper towels on the glass. Okay, guys. I put this towel in vinegar, and I can't get it separated, so let's see. There we go. So I'm just going to set it up there like that. And it sticks because it's wet. I've done this before and it worked. Some more vinegar. I hope my husband don't want to take a shower in the next few minutes. I know I look a hot mess, but I don't wear nice clothes to clean in because I'm a messy person and I will end up getting my clothes messed up. So I'm going to keep doing this. Come back in a few hours and see if this helped any. And we'll still use the Dawn just to scrub off anything that didn't really come off. And this will help deodorize the shower as well. Shoot, they want to fall off now. I didn't want to fall off. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by and see what I do around the house. You know, I do a lot of DIYs and hauls and things like that. Do a little decorating. I have a few cooking videos if you like that. If you want to learn how to cook a few things that you don't know how. My back hurt, y'all. Okay. I think I got enough to get one more. And I was going to show y'all this a while back, but I couldn't find, and I didn't want to use up the paper towels that I had. Okay. Shower doors are pretty when they're clean. Okay. Now I just realized I still got to put some on the other part of the door. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back and show you how I got it all laid out. Okay. See, I got it as far as I wanted to take it. So I'm going to let this set up here for maybe an hour or so, maybe till they dry, and then take them off and come back and wash it down with the Dawn and a little bit more vinegar, and I will be sure to show you the results. So stick around, I'll be right back. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe and watch to the end if you want to see how this turns out. Thanks so much, I'll be back. Okay guys, here's the end result. I think it turned out pretty good. It was a lot better than it was. There's still a few spots that had a little excess hard water stains on it. But I really like how it turned out. And I hope you will try this method. I think it works. The ones at the bottom were a little bit more wet, the paper towels. And I think I could have left them on a little longer. But if you like this video, don't forget to comment below and subscribe and share if you think someone else would like to learn how to use this method of cleaning your glass shower doors. And I think it made a big difference using the vinegar with the paper towels and letting it sit on the glass a little while. I think I ended up letting it set for at least 2 hours while I was doing some other things here in the bathroom. So I will see you guys on the next cleaning video. Take care and be safe.